Have you heard about the dental facelift? This is ridiculously easy and drug-free, pain-free. Stay tuned. I'm going to tell you all about it. Welcome back. Christine Byer here, licensed esthetician for 22 years. And you guys know it, on this channel we talk about your skincare journey because it's never one thing that makes your face look better. It's a whole combination of things. Today I want to talk about Oralift. This is my older version. This is how they come now. And this little device is very interesting. If you think about how much we grind or we clench our jaw when we're working, we're driving, we're playing sports, I have clients that do it when they sleep. Even if you don't know it, you can grind, right? Even people who are always slack-jawed sleeping, they too can grind. It is part of being a human being. So how does this work? This is really cool. It comes and you shape it yourself. It's super easy. I could do it. Anybody can figure out how to do it. They have videos and such. You wear this up to 1 hour per day. Everybody's like, oh, I have this, I have that. If you have your teeth on the bottom, you can wear the Oralift. They come like this. This is the 5mm. You start out with the purple or the 3mm. And how it works is you do it any time of the day when you're feeling relaxed. You can't eat or drink with it in. You're going to be awake. Don't fall asleep with it in. You work up to 1 hour per day, and it's best to be in a neutral position. Let me show you what this looks like. In the beginning, you don't have to wear it a full hour. A lot of people can only wear it just a few minutes. And that was my case, and it kept popping up off my bottom teeth because my jaw was so tight. So the magic of this is that it works with the facial muscles' ability to adapt, right? So through years of grinding, we can wear down our mandible and the angle of it will change. It actually gets shorter too, like this way. But even here, it will change and it will start to curl up a little bit. And so we get these and lots of unpleasant things happen. Like our eyes look more bulgy. You can't see our smile when we smile. It's like the lip doesn't lift up enough. So you start to see all these little changes in your face when you add this in because the muscles start to adapt like immediately. And it's really interesting how you can see with 1 month of use, even after 10 minutes, you can see a difference. 2 months, 3 months, a year, 5 years, 10 years, people look better because it's opened up this freeway space, as they call it, opened up circulation that may have not been there for the last couple decades, opened up toxin drainage, lymph drainage, right? So it does so much, and it seems like such a simple thing, and it is. I mean, it's drug-free, pain-free. I mean, it's such a simple concept, but it's like a dental facelift. So if you think about your face and how your face goes into when your jaw is clenched, I call it pain face, right? Everything comes in and down and towards the center of our face, and the face just crumples, right? And so if you think of when you wear this, I think of the word awe, when you see something you're like, wow. It's just how your face opens up when you're in awe. This is what you're in. You could meditate too and be in awe if you want to, but it's the opposite of a crumpled, squished, contracted, tight-jawed face, right? And so the beauty of this is it opens up circulation. It forces those muscles to adapt, and the whole face starts to shift and change in a good way. And what I saw when I first started using it is that all the device work and all the treatments I had done, they sort of bloomed, they sort of came alive. And of course, I'm getting more circulation to my face. And look, there's all sorts of other stuff, good stuff that happens, people don't even expect to happen, but I can tell you my sinuses are better when I wear this on the regular. And so how it works is you get an app, you check off your time usage, and then you're gonna take a break, and the face continues to improve while you're on the break due to that natural adaptation. So it's really simple yet amazing the way it works. It is really a missing piece in the anti-aging puzzle, because if you're grinding away and closing down the bottom third of your face constantly and using devices and doing all this stuff, but this is just completely stagnant and chomped down, you're not going to get the best results. Add in the circulation and add back that space we used to have, and magic happens. Anyway, love this device, and I hope you love it too. Bye now.